what's up, guys? We're gonna make a new video, and it's me like 35 videos. I'm gonna be showing you what I've done on stop motion, so I'm gonna freaking shut up. So I call this Nature Show, episode 1. Gonna name it. I've already named it, so I'm gonna add a sound. Okay, this is an ad. Okay, there we go. What? I'm cool. Okay. I'm just gonna make a recording for this and I'll show you once it's done. Okay, now, here we go. This is the Nature Show. Nature Show, Nature Show. It's Nature Show, episode 1. So, don't be alarmed because it's not that long. Oh my god, my high-pitched voice. Enjoy this masterpiece I have created. It's in forests and in the bush, and I captured a couple butterflies, which is the yellow stuff now in the lavender. Well, the purple stuff in stuff like that. Hope you enjoy. This is the Nature Show. That's really kind of a quick little music thing-ish, Bob. Yeah. Life is difficult now, so